Okay. Speed on this thing. Slide. So this is where our trip really started. The main road was closed and we had to take a different route. That was basically a broken bridge made out of iron rods and sheets. I had to walk and see if it's stable enough before we took the bike down. Surprisingly, it was strong enough. We went on this trip somewhere in June. So maybe when you're watching this video, the roads might be built now. This is the by road for the waterfall. You will see a board at the entrance itself, so you can locate it easily. Bikes, cars, vans, you can park it here. Bikes, you can take it even further inside, and that's what he keeps saying. But I didn't want to risk it, so we left the bikes here. Now this is where the mini trek starts. It's a 2 to 3 minute trek. Technology. In fact, you can even take your bikes through this and park it right here. Now this is where the families are generally packed. If you want to be by yourself, if you want peace, definitely not the spot to be in. We wanted to go all the way up to the top. From the left side, you can walk up to the top of the waterfall, and that's what we tried to do. Uncle, it's a bit of a mini hike, to be honest, to go to the top, but it's still too easy. It's just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes to go all the way to the top. Fucking, I'm going up. Yeah, it's fucking knuckles type shit. You will definitely find a few pathways when you go to the top, but then still you are not going to get lost because you can walk towards the waterfall with the help of the sound. What's up? Melissa balagene. Bloody hell. And this is the topmost level. Now this place can get very risky during rainy season. All those black patches that you see in the rock gets very slippery. But thankfully when we were there, no rain, which means more fun. We then decided to stay in the third level. We were looking for a spot for us to camp for the day. See how the water is. Oh yeah. Let's go. Oh blood. Now this is where it got interesting. We were gonna try cooking outdoors for the first time, but we couldn't find firewood. So then we started a hunt for firewood. Now this is me trying to climb up to the next level of the fall. Now this is very slippery, so that's why I'm being extra careful here. is here. Spider-Man. Adrian. Yeah. You need something without the water. Oh, these are thorns. Dangerous thorns, you see. මේක තෝන්ස් තියෙන මේක හරියන්නේ නැහැ. I'll go down first. මෙතන මේ ඉන්න. උඹ මෙතෙන් දාපුවාට. හා ඒක හොඳයිනේ.
ඔය ඩල් කැල් දෙකක් උතුම්.
මේක
අර ඕක දුන්නා හරි.
Yeah, I'm slowly doing it. Huh? Just throw it one by one. Name it up. Yes. We had to do all this just to get some fire running for the cooking. We had to make sure that we cut it into small pieces, and obviously it has to be dry as well. Ow. We'll keep the handle here so that will hold it. It took us a while to get the fire up and running and to get some proper heat and fire for us to cook. Especially without kerosene, it was a bit tricky. Good progress. There's some heat coming up, and we have මේක මම අර hot and spicy එක නෙමෙයිනේ.
Yeah.
We actually took cooking outdoors a bit too seriously and took chicken with us. We washed it nicely with all that fresh water that's coming down. We made sure we cut the chicken into small chunks and small pieces just so that we can cook it properly. Otherwise, we're going to spend the whole day cooking. We also took spices with us. We don't know the measurements, we were just hoping for the best and just mixing all the spices that we had in the bag. Oh, it looks nice, huh? Look at this. Nectar chicken. Surprisingly, the chicken did come out right. The color was amazing, the texture was good, it was cooked as well. I took my first bite and it was amazing. Betul kan bulan?